Yes, what are you talking about?
So, I just ordered my Billie. First time. And I got the shave cream. This is how it comes in this little box. It looks like this. Came by really fast. I ordered it on Friday and received it by Wednesday. So what I ordered was the razor, a travel case, and it comes with the holder for the shower. And this is how it looks. So this is all I got. I get this razor with a little coconut. I got a holder. Can you open it for me, sweetie? Oh my gosh.
What do you have? Wait. Let me open it. Wait.
Oh, hurry up. Okay, and this is a travel holder that I got since we'll be traveling soon. I can just put it in here. And then every 3 months you receive 4 or 3 razors. Like the replacements for your razor.
And here's my mom's thing I already opened for her. A little thing for her, I guess.
I guess this is the little thing that you put in your shower and it holds it. I think it's magnetic, so you just put it like this and just put the razor on there. And then this is the razor itself, which you can choose which one you like. They have a different variety of razors, and you choose which one you like. So every 3 months they charge you $9.99 for just, getting replacements of these. You get like 3 or 4. It's very inexpensive. Like I spent like $24 for all of this. And they have other stuff too that you can buy, like lotions, face wipes, and other stuff. I'm trying to open this. Can you hold the phone? I'll open it. You have to show it. God, these nails don't help. Okay. So this is how it looks like. So I guess it comes with an extra one. So this should last me at least 2 months until I get my 3rd one. I mean, until the 3 months comes up. And it's like this. So you put it on your shower. It's really cute. And I heard really good reviews on it. I still haven't used it yet. But once I do, I'll make a review video and show you.